Okay, this is Christmas dinner. Everybody's grabbing food, including Polly, who's got food first.
I don't have food first.
You got food second.
At least second.
Say hello to Adam.
Hi, Adam. We're sitting down to a nice feast here. Wish you were here.
Yum. Yum. All the food's over there.
I didn't get it
Hi.
first.
Hi, Dad. Say hello to Adam.
Hi, Adam. I
He's got food too.
got an army truck for you.
He's got his own.
It's Mom.
Hi, Adam. Merry Christmas.
She's missing you terrible.
Right there.
There?
And there's Aunt
Yeah.
Susie.
Yeah.
Right there.
Hi, Sus.
Hi, Adam. Miss you.
Hi, Howard.
If the Marines were there, we'd had the war over by now. Get the hell out of the country and get the Marines in there.
Say hello to Adam. We're taping this for Adam.
Hi, Adam. It's Grandma. You know, Grandma's always doing the cooking around here.
And there's Grandma Greisler. She's getting ready to eat. And your brothers are filling their plates.
Here, go ahead. You gonna sit here on the end?
More cheers?
Let's see.
We need another chair.
Oh, this won't stop.
There's a chair over here.